So guys, first click to start and control panel. Enable .NET firmware component. So it is enable or not, first check this. View by select category, then click to uninstall program. Windows, turn the Windows features on and or off. So first check it .NET is enable or not, 4.8 and 3.5. So both is like enable. Okay, so if not, so you like that, so you just select it and then click to OK, and then close. Next, uh, go to any browser to search .NET repair tool, download. Go to this Microsoft official website, scroll down and click to download. And just click to repair. It will repair automatically, and then click to yes. Okay, next, next. After complete all the methods, so guys, you have to restart system, then click to finish. Again go to new tab and type .NET download. Again first link, this is Microsoft.NET website. Scroll down, select latest one, and which is required to all the, you can see the version is there. Click to download. After that you can see the terminal to start it. Okay, it's completed. Just single click, then OK. Then I have read the license stream to install. And then finished. Then next method. So guys, first method, click to start, type cmd and right click to run as administrator. Run as administrator, then click to yes. Then some command, so that is 4 command. First one sfc space slash scan now, then hit enter. Wait few seconds, it will complete 100%. Then type next command, which is second number. So you can enter also, you can copy paste. Okay, do not type so long of the command. So it will complete then copy second one and then just right click it. Okay, when you, okay, then third one. Then guys, last, same as it is. Okay, when it is completed, this four command properly one by one enter, and that's command I will give you in the video description, so you can easily copy and paste from descriptions. Then it will done, then try to follow next method. Okay, otherwise you can restart also. Okay, thank you.